Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we are going to have EarFleek and I have two packages. And I'm not sure if this is two different months that came at the same time or if it's replacement because I did have an earring broken. So stay tuned, we are going to find out what I received from EarFleek for the month of June. I'm not sure. Like I said, these both came in the mail at the same time. And last time I was with you and we did an EarFleek opening, I had one earring that was broke. So one of these could be a replacement for that because they did say they would send one out. So, do you know about EarFleek? EarFleek is a monthly subscription that you can get for $4.39. You can save even more if you do a 3 month, 6 months, 12 month. I get mine for around $2 and something a month because I do a lengthier contract. But $4.39 a month is not bad, and you can choose between the styles. They have silly and fun, they have minimalist but groovy, and they have the boho babe. So you can choose those out, and I will tell you that I will have a code link down in my description that you would be able to save $1.97 off your first pair. So if you're interested, use that link and hop on over there and be sure and let me know that you did so that I can properly thank you. And if you're new to my channel, I would just like to ask you real quick to consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of our YouTube family. I really appreciate all my YouTube family and friends, and appreciate each and every one of you, that is for sure. And leave me a comment. I like to get back with you and learn a little bit more about you. Now let's get in here and see what EarFleek has sent. It says life's too short to have a boring style. I don't know which one to open up first, so I'm just going to go randomly and pick this one. They always send it in this nice little outer package. And then on the inside, we have this nice little pink package. And that is to protect our earrings. And normally, there's not any issues. So I just happened to get one that did have an issue last time around. Inside here, this is a replacement for what I got last time. This is the El Prado. This is inspired by old school Californian glam. Pair these El Prado dangle earrings with a flowing maxi dress. And they're always in this cute little package here, which is a little pink little netting bag. And on the inside, we have our price tag, which these would cost you $15.99 retail USD. And then these are the earrings. And I don't know if you all remember, my last pair was broken. One of them was completely broken up on this part, and there was just no way to repair it. So thank you very much for sending out this replacement pair of earrings. And as you can see, they're very, very cute. See if I can get that one off. They're just gonna dangle and shine, as you can see. And I could see that that would be cool with a nice little maxi dress. I haven't wore one of my maxi dresses in, might as well say years. I used to wear them a lot, but I just got out of the habit of it, and I wear shorts a lot in the summertime. But dresses are cool in the summertime as well. Now let's find out what's in this next package from EarFleek. And of course it's packaged just the same, so I would have to say this is our June pair. Since I just got it at the end of June, 1st of July, I would have to say it was last month's, because that's usually how it runs with EarFleek. But it's a great little subscription if you've got a daughter or a granddaughter, somebody that would love getting earrings on a regular basis, or if you're like me and you just like earrings and you like having different styles. It's really great for anybody that likes earrings. I'm going to have to cut into this one. The glue's really good on it. And on the inside here, we have our little product card. It is called Luxy Luxor. And this is Bring the Goddess Vibes with these Luxy Luxor dangle earrings. The gold chain detail will accent any going out look. Don't forget lipstick. They always got like a little comical comment to say, but aren't these cute? And I save these little things here, and I'll cut them in two, and I'll use it to be my stopper for my back. But here we have our little dangled little earrings. They look like little pyramids or triangles, and they're made out of a chain. Look, as you can see, a little bit more detail close up. And again, they have their little sticker in here for the price tag of $15.99. And normally I would only get one pair, so the other pair was just to compensate for the broken pair that I got last time. So I can tell you they have good customer service. They asked me if they could send it out with my next pair, and I said that'd be fine. And she did exactly what she said she was going to do. And these are really nice. They're not too heavy, but they're made of good quality. I mean, like, it's not flimsy. So that's very nice. I think it'll look very cute. Let's see what they look like on. These took forever. These were Annie Klein earrings, and they took a while to get on. But let's see how this is going to look. Ah, very cute. Kind of goes asymmetrically in a sense with what I have on, since I have a rectangle with stones on. And that came from FabFitFun a couple of times ago. Alright, so what do you think? Those are my dangly triangles. I think they're very cute. Yeah, and it kind of goes with this rectangle look for a nice effect. So I'm just going to keep those on. And those are my earrings. So let me know, what do you think about the earrings for the month of June? And what do you think about the earrings that I got replaced that I had in May? I think they're very cute. They're very kind of like boho style and would look great with a little boho maxi dress, that's for sure. But guys, that's what I have today for EarFleek. And that is it's a quick, simple little subscription. And like I said, it'd be perfect for any woman that wants to have stylish earrings sent her way once a month for a nice little surprise. It'd make a nice gift for your daughter or your granddaughter, your niece. It would just make a nice little gift, and it comes out monthly. So, and you can decide how long that's going to be. But for $4.39, that's the month-to-month price, and you can save if you decide to do a longer term contract. I do 6 months, and so for 6 months I pay around $20-something for my earrings. So I mean, that's practically not too far from the price of $15.99 for one pair. So if you look at it like that, I get an exceptional deal. But be sure and check my descriptions for that link, and you can save $1.97 off your first pair. And be sure and let me know if you do use it so I can properly thank you. And check my descriptions for any giveaways or anything that is currently going on. And as for today, that's all I have for EarFleek. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.